In this video, we're going to be reviewing myalejandra.tv. She runs a business to help people get organized, organize your closets, organize your homes, and a lot of other things. We've used the social learner for LearnDash to implement this. This is a Buddy Boss theme release, along with some plugins and LearnDash, including bbPress. You're building a website that not only provides protected course content, but it also enables you to build a community. This is a good alternative to using Facebook groups to build your community. It does require that you have the ability to attract people to the forum and to the member-to-member communication features that are provided. So, the pressure's on you to get people to log in and use this. The benefit is that you have control of all your content. You don't have to rely on a Facebook sort of environment. So I'm going to log in as a member. If you're familiar with Buddy Boss and the social learner, you'll recognize the format. They have a bar across the top. This is where you have your search. There's messages, notifications. I have information for myself. We have a dashboard for interacting with other members, and you can actually provide content on your own. You have a list of members. This is the training section of the site. So this enables you to jump in and take the courses using LearnDash. So here we are in a course that I'm involved in. So we can click on here to get at the course. So I'm into lesson 1. You can see that I've already marked this one complete, so I can go into the next one. This is standard LearnDash function. The reason it looks different is because the Buddy Boss theme provides some nice formatting. We've also enhanced this with some CSS work, style sheet work. So here you see that this is printed content. A lot of times we're embedding videos in here. I can do a mark complete, which is a classic LearnDash feature that moves the progress bar, puts the check mark here. If I go back up to simplicity, so the top part of the course, you see that it shows this symbol here saying that there's something going on in progress. As things move on, you'll see this turn to a check mark, but you can go here, see where you left off, and see the progress that's going on. Now, when I go to the dashboard, what I see is my community home base, for lack of a better word. Now we've made a modification to the environment so that people can remain anonymous. Some people in this space just don't want people to know who they are. So we give them the ability to use a nickname versus their real name. It's just a feature that was required by this client. Now I'm over here in another browser logged in as this other user, just so that you can see an example of how the interaction might happen. So we are friends, and we can private message each other. We can mention each other, even though I don't have contacts in here. I can look at a list of my friends. I can post photos. I can update my background. I mean, there's a lot that you can do in here. Because we don't have a lot of members, this site hasn't been launched yet. We don't have a lot in here to show the interaction, but it gives you an idea of how this would work. Now they've also implemented the bbPress forum. It's a standard part of the social learner. In here you can see that we have topics. Again, right now we only have test topics, but I can go in here, see people interacting, talk to them in a way that's related to a topic, as you would in bbPress or a forum. Now they do have other features. They provide printables, which is something that's available if you've purchased them. They have these photo labels, which is another thing. They've got my accounts page so that you can review your invoices, see what sort of subscriptions you have in place. In this case, I don't have any, so you won't see any invoices or subscriptions. I don't have a credit card on file. But this is a place where you can update that nickname, as I mentioned. That's this up here, as well as change my name. That's the only piece of specific information this client wanted updated. And then you can update your password on this screen. But as you can see, we've modified this just a little bit visually so that it's attractive. A big focus of our work here was on these LearnDash courses, so that people could navigate through the course. In this case, there's a terms and conditions they want people to fill out. I hadn't previously filled this out, but once I click here, I get approved. This disappears. 0 out of 69 steps for this program. I can open up this section here and get going with the content. So this is an example of a Buddy Press theme using the Social Learner, BB Press, LearnDash, and then of course under the covers, behind the scenes you have Memberium connected up with Infusionsoft. Infusionsoft being the CRM or the master database where we're keeping people's information.